पयलें सद्या केन्नाय रिक्रुटमेंट आसता कंपनीचें, कंपनी शूड सेंड वॉट इज देयर रिक्वायरमेंट टू द एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज फर्स्ट, and then afterwards employment exchange also sponsors candidates. Now this has not been done. Now for whatever, now this has not been done. But as per the law of as per legal this thing in labor law, that what is the fine actually? Fine is just 500, so they can easily get over it. So now whatever we are going to do amendment to that this thing, where severe penalties is imposed on any of this. Because that is a part of the job that they have got to send it to the our employment exchange, their recruitment. Difficulties are aspect जाने की तक. There is no question of difficulty aspect. You just follow the law, the amendment, whatever is in the act. Follow the labor act. That's what we are trying to say. You are not doing that. मैं on the CM, there is no problem. We will also meet CM. Okay. Because we need to get some amendment to be more stricter as far as the employment exchange is concerned. And because as far as what this thing called unorganized sector also, that also we are going to do some changes in that.
So फाटल्या फावटी
तेतूनले घेतलेले तेणी, तेतूनले घेतलेले. But what has which has come to our notice is these two companies which have pharmaceutical company who has basically advertised in other state for basically jobs in Goa. So first basically you need to test, you need to check whether in Goa whether the workforce is available or not. Then after this thing, but you should give an opportunity for everyone to receive. Then since your factory is your establishment is registered in Goa, so it is your
कारण पहिले प्रेफरन्स मेळपाक जाय आशिल्ली.
No, is a bound reference मेळपाक is a different issue. The thing is what happened, you need to basically inform the department that Baba these are the vacancies. Then we will sponsor some candidates. Whether those candidates are fit and all, then after you decide. That is not a problem. We are not telling you to take people, but we are telling you to just follow the rules. That's what I'm trying to say.
सर तुमकां अशें दिसता की स्ट्रेटेजी लोकांक दिता जॉब
ना, पण आता हरियाणाचे स्टे ऑर्डर आहा that is not been implemented. Now we need to see what we need to do. Now any companies which ever come, the workforce, what is their requirement. आता पळय हे आमचे ते what is that board which is that
इन्व्हेस्टमेंट
promotion board. आता investment promotion board आहा. Investment promotion board basically anything which they approve, they should actually just send it to the labor department, that at least one copy to the labor department, employment department, saying that these are the factories which intend to come. So if the factories are if anyone intends to put up a factory here, whatever the workforce what they require, their requirement is, so at least we can send our people for training to do that. And then after, because if you don't have a trained staff, then it will become, so then you give a chance to the companies to say that whatever our requirement is, that they were not fit for our requirement. So that is what we are trying to do. We will speak to the CM also. It is good that CM took note of this.